Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Versace sunglasses model 2240 in color code 100263. The color of the frame is bronze. On its temples are protective sleeves to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lens is brown. And these glasses are also a shield shape. You'll also find the Versace logo on its left temple. This is the inside of the frame. And the Versace logo is also on its right temple. Inside of its nose pads, you'll find the Versace logo in gold. The glasses also come with a Versace gift box, a Versace hard case, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica, a Versace booklet, and a black Versace cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.